Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great large sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2011 BMW 550i. This BMW is powered by rear-wheel drive V8 engine, manual transmission, and has 108,312 miles. Rev up your drive with this stunning 2011 BMW 550i. Experience luxury and power and style. Low mileage, meticulously maintained, loaded with features. Don't miss out on this irresistible blend of performance and elegance. Drive it today. This pre-owned 550i comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power driver's seat, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control. To keep you entertained, this BMW 550i is equipped with Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, voice-activated climate control. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive headlights, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.